Unraveling the phrase, ankle wrap, a dive into English expressions. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our English language learning journey. Today, we're going to unwrap the meaning of the phrase, ankle wrap. Whether you're a seasoned English speaker or just starting out, understanding phrases like this can add a colorful touch to your conversational skills. So, let's get started and wrap our heads around ankle wrap. The term ankle wrap can be quite literal, but it can also have a figurative sense in different contexts. Let's look at the literal meaning first. Literally, ankle wrap refers to a material or bandage wrapped around the ankle. This could be for medical reasons, such as an injury, or for fashion, as in ankle wrap sandals, which have straps that wrap around the ankle. Figuratively, this phrase is not commonly used to imply other meanings in English. However, the idea of wrapping something around the ankle can be metaphorically extended to suggest support or restriction, depending on the context. In medical contexts, you might hear, "The athlete has an ankle sprain and needs an ankle wrap to support the joint." In fashion and footwear, it might be used like this: "These ankle wrap sandals are perfect for a summer beach outing." It's important to remember that ankle wrap is typically used in a literal sense. If you decide to use it figuratively, make sure your context is clear to avoid confusion. Let's practice with ankle wrap in a few sentences. 1. After twisting her ankle, she used an ankle wrap to reduce the swelling. 2. The designer's new collection includes a variety of ankle wrap boots and shoes. 3. For additional support, the doctor recommended that he wear an ankle wrap during workouts. To remember the phrase, ankle wrap, visualize the action. Imagine wrapping a bandage around an ankle or the straps of a sandal crisscrossing up the leg. These mental images can help the term stick in your memory. We hope this explanation helps clarify the meaning and usage of ankle wrap for you. Whether it's for practical medical use or describing a fashionable shoe design, you're now equipped to use this phrase accurately in your English conversations. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more English language tips. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video.